Hi, in this video we will orchestrate queue-based microservices with AWS Step Function and Amazon SQS. First step, we will need to create an Amazon SQS queue. For that we will go to Amazon SQS and we will create the queue. The queue will be the standard and queue name will be the orders. Rest of configurations will be same and we will create the queue. So it has successfully created. In the next step, we will go to the AWS step functions to create a state machine. So we will create state machine. We will choose the first option and standard and next. Here we will choose the next. Here we need to copy paste the code as given in the tutorial. We will just insert the same code here. Click next. In the permission, we will just choose create new role and create state machine. It gives the error because we missed one step. So we will go to the previous section and we need to add queue URL. For that we will open the same queue orders and we will copy the URL and we will paste it here. Then we will choose next and create the step function. Yeah, as we can see, the state machine is running successfully. Once this is done, then we will go to IAM role. In IAM role, we will create a new role. Create role. The role name will be inventory lambda role. And we will choose lambda. Next permission. We will choose SQS full access. Step function full access. And CloudWatch full access. Next review and we will give the name inventory lambda role. Inventory lambda role and create a role. As you can see, we have successfully created the required role. And now we need to create an AWS lambda function with the name inventory. So we will go to the lambda function, create function. Function name will be the inventory. Execution role we need to add the role we created in IAM management console and create function. We need to add some code here in the lambda function as given in the guide. So we will copy it. We will insert the code. We will deploy. Once the changes are deployed, then we need to add a trigger. That, as we can see, the trigger is already added. We just verify the ARN of the trigger. Yeah, it is same and it already has taken. So the next step, we will execute our workflow. So we will go to the state machine. In the state machine, we will just click it and we will start execution. we will keep everything same. As we can see, it has checked the inventory and notify the success as well. So we have completed our steps, and in the last step we just need to terminate the resources. To terminate the resources, first of all we will terminate the step function, delete the state machine. It has marked for deletion. We will initiate the queue deletion as well. Delete. It has successfully deleted. And in the last we need to delete the function as well. Lambda function, delete, and it has successfully deleted. The step function is deleting. Meanwhile, we can delete the role, inventory lambda role. Yeah, it is already deleted. Yeah, the our step function also deleted. So we have successfully done our today's tutorial, which is we first of all we implement the SQS queue, then we create the state machine, then we create IAM role for the lambda function, then we create a lambda function, and in the last we execute the step function and we terminate the resources. Thank you very much.